Fortnite OG FPS Boost Guide. Here's a simple way to significantly increase your FPS in Fortnite Season OG with just a few easy steps. You can enjoy impressive FPS improvements, so if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content. Step 1. Quick Boot and Power Settings. In the Windows settings, navigate to System. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Power and Sleep and click on Additional Power Settings. Then, on the left side, select Choose what the power buttons do. Under the shutdown settings, you'll find that Turn on Fast Startup is enabled. This feature helps your PC boot up faster after shutting down. However, keep in mind that Fast Startup doesn't fully shut down your PC. In the Task Manager under Performance, you'll notice that the uptime indicates how long your PC has been running. I recently changed the setting to test it, but many people might be surprised to see that your PC has been running continuously for days or even weeks. To completely reset your PC and potentially improve FPS, navigate to the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Once there, uncheck the Fast Startup setting and click Save Changes. This action will fully reset your computer, resetting the uptime to 0. However, after restarting your PC, revisit the power options to ensure the Fast Startup setting remains unchecked. Another step you can take is to enable High Performance. This setting locks your CPU to its maximum clock speed, preventing it from slowing down. Keep in mind that this mode consumes more energy, so it's advisable to test it for a while. If you notice improved FPS, you can keep it on. Otherwise, you can always switch back to the recommended balanced setting. Many users have experienced FPS benefits from having high performance enabled. For step number 2, we're going to remove our temp files. To clear temporary files on your desktop, press the Windows key plus R, type in %temp, %, and press enter. Inside this folder, use Ctrl plus A to select all temporary files. Click the delete button to remove them. Some files may not be deletable, and that's okay. Skip them. Repeat the same process for the temp and prefetch folders. Again, select all files, delete them, and skip any that can't be deleted. This will help clean up unnecessary files and free up space on your computer. Step 3. Privacy Options. In Windows Settings, find Privacy at the bottom right. Under General, look for Change Privacy Options. Uncheck the following 4 options for potential FPS improvement. 1. Advertising ID. Ensure this is unchecked. 2. Allow websites to provide locally relevant content. Uncheck this option. 3. Allow Windows to track up launches. Disable this option. And 4. Show me suggested content in Settings app. Uncheck this option. Doing so may provide a slight FPS boost in your system. After adjusting the privacy settings, scroll down the left-hand side to Background Apps. Here, you'll see numerous background apps enabled by default. These apps can run in the background, potentially affecting your system performance. Scroll to the top and uncheck the option that says Let Apps Run in the Background. This doesn't remove the apps, it simply prevents them from running in the background. If you open an app, like the NVIDIA Control Panel, it will still run, but by default, many background apps may be disabled, optimizing your system performance. Step 4. Low Graphical Fidelity. When you launch the game, go to the Video Settings tab. Under the Rendering Mode section, you'll find it set to either DirectX 11 or 12 by default. Change it to Performance for lower graphical fidelity. This adjustment significantly reduces textures, leading to substantial performance gains. It can also help prevent FPS crashes and reduce stutters during gameplay. In the game settings, scroll to the bottom and disable all replay options, including record replays, large team replays, creative replays, and high-quality replays. Fortnite itself suggests that turning these off can not only improve performance, but also save hard drive space. Additionally, in the sound settings, consider switching from high-quality sound to low-quality sound. While high-quality sounds better, if you're looking to optimize FPS, setting it to low as per Fortnite's recommendation might provide a performance boost. Disable Hardware Axle and Game Bar. In the System Settings under Gaming, take the following steps for performance optimization. 1. Disable the Game Bar. Under Game Bar, turn off this feature to eliminate potential micro stutters caused by the overlay. 2. Game Mode. Decide whether to enable or disable Game Mode. While Windows claims it optimizes your PC, it's worth testing to see if it improves your experience. And 3. Graphic settings. On the right-hand side, navigate to Graphic settings. Look for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Windows claims it reduces latency and improves performance, but its impact can vary. Test it on your PC. If enabled, make sure to specify the games for which you want it active. Step 7. Disable full screen optimizations. In your library, locate the 3 horizontal dots and click on Manage. Under Installation, select the folder. Scroll down until you find Fortnite Client Win64Shipping.exe. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab. Ensure that Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked. This adjustment may provide a slight FPS boost, but it's recommended to test it out. If it doesn't yield the desired result, you can always uncheck it. Don't forget to click Apply after making changes. Step 8. We're going to do a CMD scan. To run a system scan and address potential issues, follow these steps. Click on the Start menu and type CMD to find the command prompt. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator to open it with Administrative Privileges. Type the command sfc//scannow. Press Enter to initiate the system scan. This process will check and repair any corrupted files that might be causing compatibility issues or performance problems, leading to potential FPS stutters or loss. The scan shouldn't take too long, and it's a good practice to ensure the health of your system. Step 9. Disable high-res textures. In the library settings, go to the 3 dots, click on Options, and navigate to Install Options. Look for high-resolution textures and uncheck this option. By doing this, you not only save storage space but also potentially gain FPS. High-resolution textures enhance the visual quality of the game, but if you're aiming for performance, especially in performance mode, there's no necessity for these files. For the final step, go to the library, click on the 3 dots, and at the top, select Verify Files. This action essentially repeats what we did in Windows earlier. It scans all the Fortnite game files, ensuring nothing is corrupt or problematic. The verification process ensures that everything is running smoothly and provides you with the latest files. It shouldn't take much time, but after completing this step, your game should run a lot smoother. That wraps up the guide on obtaining a substantial FPS boost in Fortnite Season OG. If you find this helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel.